In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule power on and off on your Android smartphone. Now for this demonstration, I'm using Redmi Note 10, but this process should work on any Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings. And once you are here, tap on battery. Look for the option called additional features, which is this, and then tap on it. And look for an option called schedule power on stroke off. Now tap on it. And now you have two options here. One settings for power on time and the other one for power off time. So when you tap on power on time, you'll have an option to set the time when you want your phone to go on or to power itself on every day or on specific days. So go ahead and select the time. For instance, at 6, and you want this to happen every day. So choose every day. So each time it gets to 6 a.m. in the morning, your phone will turn on. Additionally, you can also set power off time. This is the time you want your phone to automatically go off. Now, when you turn this on, you will have your power off time displayed. If you want to adjust this time, you can as well go ahead and adjust it. And once you are done, tap on OK. And then select the specific days you want your phone to automatically turn off at 10:30 p.m. For my case, I want to leave it every day. And once this is done, tap on this mark here on the tick to confirm your settings. And now it is done. That's how you schedule your power on and off time on your Android phone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.